Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Lunar Classic video update for Thursday 25th of August. And Lunar Classic doing a pretty damn good job of holding on its own. We are holding this damn line right now. So we do have 3 days to actually close the candlesticks, and I'm really wishing everyone the best right now, to be honest with you. But let me tell you one more thing I do have to point out. It's a very tricky trade. Okay, you have to be super careful because there's a trick going on in here. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it as clear as I can. Right, what I see is still a bear flag and a retest of a bear flag. Okay, now hear me out. Now, since you're invested in it, you might want to hear me telling you that, oh, it's holding support, it's looking amazing. But then again, it really comes and boils down to the importance of drawing a trend line. You get the trend line drawn good, and you have everything done. What I do see, instead of this line being straight like this is still a line that is actually like this, something like that, okay? And the bear flag is still in play. It's a very small, tiny bear flag, if you want to put it that way, and it's something like this, okay? Pretty much something like that one over there. It's a very small mini bear flag. And you did go down like that. You made that flag, you broke to the downside, you went up for the retest, probably get rejected here, and then you fall down and you go to the main technical target, which is actually going to be somewhere from there to there, and you're looking to come down potentially all the way down to 7,458. Now, I could be totally wrong, okay, because nonetheless, I'm telling you, this is really tricky, and both the trend lines are actually valid, to be honest with you, but this bear flag is something that I have to bring to your attention. The thing is, this trend line now, this one right here that I just draw, is also valid, because by the end of the day, what you're putting in are the touches, okay? So that touch number 1 right there, and then you have this touch number 2 right there, you have this touch number 3 on the line right here, right? So number 4 there. It just keeps on touching this trend line, okay? So that's also valid, and then again, that bear flag also looks valid, but it's really tricky right now to say what's going to happen next. You do have this one holding the line again, and then you have this bullish engulfing about to be made on the weekly time frame. So this could be just another big evidence that, you know, things are not still interested to go down. So what do you do? What do you follow? How can you trade this one exactly? We might get clues on the smaller time frames, okay? Smaller time frames are way better. Now let's say now that you did came up here, you know, you made that 3 white soldiers, move to the upside, and you're trying to really close above certain level. I can even say that, you know, it's sort of like trying to break this line here, that there's a little bit of resistance up there, and it's trying to break it, came down for the retest, and it's trying to hold these levels. What I can say though is, on the daily we must get as much clue as we need, and that means that, you know, if you try to come down again below the yellow line 9781 and you know, go a little bit, not wicks, I'm not talking about wicks, even though I do expect it can just wick like this and then move sideways. It's just very hard coin to trade, to be honest, and I've been through this with you, that, you know, due to all this wicks that is happening, just look at those wicks to the downside and look at those wicks to the upside. It just makes it difficult to trade and track a proper stop loss to be set. You know, you cannot trade without proper stop losses, and you never know if something crashes down. And yeah, Luna is also the biggest example of crashers, right? It came from $150 to what? Nearly nothing right now. So long term, amazing opportunity. It's a crash, you're buying a crash, and historically crashes has proven to be profitable in the long run. So I can just say it's a long run opportunity. But on the daily, again, if it's a trading stuff, I do see if it does come down again below that line and start to lose this line, then I do think that bear flag is going to be in play to go to $7,500, and that's pretty much not $7,500, it's 0.0007,500, and that's pretty much it for this coin update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.